We're at Northwest State Community College right now, and they're our primary training partner. We've been associated with Northwest State for about the last 6 years now.
This is our manufacturing lab for the plastics program.
Well, you're at Northwest State Community College, and I'm the Dean of Engineering Technologies here. The college itself has a plastics associate degree. We also do a lot of custom training, which is where MAP comes in.
Everything we do in our training is delivered by Northwest State, who we feel is the primary training partner and the best training partner we could have. And use most of their instructors to do our hydraulics, our pneumatics training, our programmable logical controller training, our injection molding training material.
What we've got here, this is Colin. He's one of our instructors. So he's actually running a course right now. He's got several different companies on the other end of the line, and he's basically presenting just like he's teaching a class.
This commercial range is where polyethylene can sit. So if my mechanical properties are polyethylene right here,
so he's literally teaching the class over the internet right now.
This is changing the industry. It's so wild. It's very exciting because right now you can't get this training like this anywhere else. It's real-time training. Now, people have tried to duplicate this, like using videos and then our CDs and putting their people in front of a computer screen. This is live and it's interactive.
So Kyle, what do we have to do to the polyethylene to move it up the graph then?
Okay, if we're talking about polyethylene, for what we call commercial grades, which are our standard grades, we fall right into this range.
My name is Matt Lavin. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Togus Products Company. We are a custom plastic injection molder. The real value proposition they offer is they allow you to train your employees on site. For small and medium-sized companies, that is imperative. There's no other program out there like this. The program that MAP has provided has taken our employees to the next level.
Our regular training, the numbers began to decline a little bit. And so when we reviewed and we surveyed our members and asked, why is this happening? They basically said, look, we're downsizing, our operations are leaner and meaner, and so it's harder for us to let people go. And so that led us to say, hey, we need to take the training to them instead of bringing them to training.
We've taken those 8-hour training segments and broken them into 4 2-hour pieces. So it's the same course, we just got little snippets, so to speak.
As soon as our students finish or our employees finish the class, they go onto the floor, and whether it's in a processing position or an equipment position or they're filling out spreadsheets, they're doing it in real time.
And now the people will get 2 hours worth of stuff, and we can do it in between shifts. So they leave their shift an hour early and stay an hour late. They get 2 hours worth of training.
And the fact that we're catching that education and implementing it within a 2-hour time period, we've seen higher levels of recall, and it's becoming ingrained a lot faster than, again, sending a student away.
What we've done is kind of come up with a less expensive, more realistic way that everybody can do it. Really, basically, with this process, all you need is an internet connection. I guess that's it. You need an internet connection and a telephone.
Students, or our employees, are actually very much engaged. We will continue with the MAP training program as long as MAP and Northwest State continue to have it.
easy through our process. Does that answer your question?
Perfect.
Really, if you look at why we are doing this, we're trying to give our members an advantage. Our members are getting access to world-class training resources that non-members don't have access to. And so that's really why we're doing this.